friend, in this video lecture I'm going to prove that cos2 alpha, cos4 alpha, cos8 alpha, cos14 alpha equal to 1 by 16. Here given is alpha equal to pi by 15. So let's see the answer. So here alpha equal to pi by 15, or we can write a 180 by 15. If I divide, then that become 12. So here alpha equal to 12. Now hereafter take the LHS left hand side. So this is cos 2 alpha. Now cos 4 alpha, here cos 8 alpha, cos 14 alpha. Now here this is the alpha, 2 alpha, 4 alpha, 6 alpha. So we can easily solve this. So if I multiply 2 sine 2 alpha in the up and down, so here and there is one more thing. So I'm going to write here cos alpha value. So alpha value is 12 into 12, that become 24. Here cos 4 into alpha, that is 48, cos 96, that become, and this one cos 14 into 14 into 12, that become 28 for 168. So this become 168. Now if I multiply here 2 sine 24 divided by 2 sine 24, and here write this cos 24 into cos 14 alpha, sorry, not alpha, cos 48, cos 96, cos 168. So here we already know 2 sin theta into cos theta, the formula is sin 2 theta. So for this we can write sin 2 theta. So sin 2 theta value is now 24. So 24 into 2, that become 48. Now write the 2 sine 24. Now hereafter write this all. So here that become cos 48, and this place we can write cos 90 plus 6, and here for this one we can write cos 90 plus 78. Now hereafter, so again going to multiply 2 in the numerator and denominator. So 2 sin theta into cos theta, that become here sin 2 theta. So here sin 2, so that become here sin 96. 2 into 48, that become 96. Now hereafter, and 2 into 2, that become 4 sin 24. And here cos 90 plus theta, we already know cos 90 plus theta, that become minus sin theta. So here we can write minus 6, and for this one cos 90 plus theta, that become minus sin theta sin 78. So 2 minus is there, minus minus, that cancel. Now hereafter sin 90 plus 6 we can write, and here 4 sin 24. This is sin 6 and sin 78. So here we can write sin 90 plus theta, cos theta. So here cos 6 into sin 6, and here we can write sin 90 minus 78, that become 12. Okay, and here write the below part sin 24. So we can again multiply with 2 numerator and denominator. So here 2 sin theta into cos theta, again this come. So here we can write sin 2 theta, 2 into 12. 2 into 6, that become 12. And here this become 8 sine 24 sine 90 plus 90 minus theta, that become sine cos theta cos 2a. Again we need to multiply numerator and denominator. So 2 sine theta into cos theta, that become sine 2 theta. So theta value is 12, 2 into 12, that become 24. So this is now 16, and here sine 24 below part right. This cancel, finally I got 1 by 60. So this is our requirement. So we need to get this 1 by 16. So here we can write LHS equal to RHS equal to 1 by 16 proved. So first thing is we need to break alpha part. So alpha is now 12, so put the value 12. Okay, so 12 into 2, 24, 12 into 4, 28, 96, 168. After that multiply 2 sine 24 numerator and denominator. After that here you need to use this 2 sine theta into cos theta sine 2 theta, and here we need to remember cos 90 plus theta, that is minus sine theta come. Okay, and minus minus cancel, sine 90 plus theta, that is cos theta. So with sine, no sine it change, and with cos the sign is change. Now hereafter we need to use this sine 90 plus x. After that sine 78 break, and you can get here 6 12 form. After that use again 2 sine theta into cos theta sine 2 theta sine 2 sine into cos 6, that becomes sine 12. After that you get this again and make again sine 2 theta formula, and finally you get 1 by 16. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.